a shopkeeper bought 143.4 kg of flour. He packed the flour into 37 packets of 1.5 kilograms each. Then he packed the remaining flour into packets of 750 grams each. Take note, they have given us different units, so it's best to change this to kg later on. How much flour was left unpacked? In the end, give your answer in kilograms. Now, to do this question, we need to know how much flour was actually packed into these packets here, and also the smaller packets. Okay, so what we do first is we take 37 times 1.5 kilograms. So this is for the bigger bags, right? And that will give us 55.5 kilograms. And as for the remaining packets, it consists of 750 grams each. So 750 divided by 1000, 0.75 kg. That goes into each of the smaller bags. So the next step is to know how many of these smaller bags are we able to fill up. Okay, so to do that, we need to know what is remaining after packing all those bigger packets of flour. 143.4 kilograms, take away that 55.5 kg, and we will have 87.9 kilograms. So this 87.9 kg, right? You are using this to pack into 0.75 kg of packets. So number of packets, 87.9 divided by 0.75. (117.2), which is rounded off to 117 small packets. Okay, so take note, this is the remaining and you are packing it into 117 small packets. So let's see how much goes into these small packets. 117 times 0.75, 87.75 kilograms goes into these small packets. So what will be left? 87.9, take away 87.75. to give us a final answer of 0.15 kg that is left.